Welcome. In front of me is the OPPO Reno 4 Pro, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts. So to get started, you want to open up the standalone contacts app, which is located in the Google folder right over here. And once you have it open, let's go to the three bars right here and go to settings, where you will find the option to import right over here, and choose that you want to import from SIM card. And once you do, it will show you all the contacts that are on that SIM card. So as you can see, for me there is not very many of them, and by default they will all be selected. So if there are some contacts that you might not want, simply deselect them, and from there, once you're satisfied with everything that is selected, tap on the check mark. It will give you a notification that X amount of contacts have been imported, and now you can see them right over here. So that is how you would import contacts, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.